Hey everybody, welcome to Bonafide Adventures, the DIY truck camper series. So, as I said yesterday, I got this finished glued up. I won't need these anymore. I don't think, which is cool. I can gain some space in here. There we have it. That is pretty cool. I still have to fill it in, fill around. Lots of goo, but you know what? Today is much cooler than yesterday. It's about 38 degrees out there. It's not bad in here. It's fairly warm, which might be a problem come summertime. If this thing warms up like this during the winter, who knows what summer's going to be like. But I've been working over there in the old shop-a-roo, and I just cut a piece of cabinet, nice and crooked, of course. Looks like it's going to need a little trimming to get to the wall, but that's cabinet height right there. Oh, that's going to be so cool. Closets here, small little cabinet. My cooler's in here. That's going to be kind of neat. And this is going to be a stool that comes up, I think it was 15 inches, with the porta potty underneath it, which will be cool. But I was just cutting, getting stuff ready. Yeah, the same on this side too. It's got to go that way some. What I did is I mimicked the closet which sits here. And it was it's a good starting point. But yeah, there's the kitchen counter. Yeah, frying away. I have the seat over here. Move you guys aside. Wait till you guys see the seat I got. I'm keeping it a secret for now. Oh, plenty of room. Oh, I'm loving it. I like this arm height. The armrest is going to be a little bit lower, but I can put a cup of coffee right there. I'm going to have a flip-up table here, just a small one, hold my laptop or iPad. And of course, I'll be sitting more here, but that's still nice. Wish the window was more there, but can't have everything. So here we have it, the beginnings of a new show. The cabinets, it looks so small. Well, I'm making progress somewhat. Got these things filled in pretty nice. Oh, that's dusty. Whew. But this is pretty nice. I'm pretty sure this is final coat. It's taken many coats. This hasn't been sanded yet, but many coats to get everything pretty nice. We got a putting around these. Even though it's in the back of a cupboard, I still wanted to keep the bugs out. These are fairly good. They could use a little more. Maybe right here a little more. You see there's some dark spots here. That means it's, when you sand it, it gets light. And when you freshly put it on there, it's dark. So a little more here, there. But this took a lot over here. Probably could use it. Once again, it's in the back of the cupboard, so most likely I'll leave it alone. And right now I'm doing the front, and boy, it is nasty work. Nasty. It's so hard to do in there. But bought some new sanders to do it. These were only, I think one was $24, one was $29. Cheapest things I ever did see. Here's my old one. Still runs, but it does seem to shake more violently now. So I figured for $24 or whatever it was, I'll just buy me a nice new one, and hopefully it'll work better. I do have the adapter to make it so a DeWalt will fit on it and run, so that way I don't have to have 50 million different types of batteries. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Yeah, this is worn out. And I got this funny looking one. Looks like something you would iron your shirt with, to fit in these areas better, in this area better. I got high hopes for it. I do normally use the oscillating, but it seems to wear out real quick. I'm hoping this will last a little better. So, some of the things I've discovered, this guy is freaking awesome. It is called a spatula spoon from OXO. Look, I even bought a spare. So it's OXO silicone spoon spatula. But this is also an OXO spatula spoon that I got off of Amazon. This is Walmart. And you can only find it at Walmart. And it makes a big difference. I don't understand why you can't get this at Walmart, and you can't get this on Amazon. But this could possibly work as equally as well. I haven't tried it yet. I bet it'll do that better. Nah, not the same. But this works so well that I bought another one just in case. I got a lot more work to do. I have all that to put the green stuff on, and still a lot of epoxy work too. But I did a lot of sanding. Still got a lot more to go, and I really don't want it. I'd much rather have a pity party. So that means sit around and cry about all this work I have to do, by the way, in case you don't know what a pity party is. These I used, and of course I don't have it with me anywhere, but one of those yellow spatulas that you normally use to put this on, and you just bend it in this way and drag it this way, and that worked out well. You can see here, it just fills it in nicely. Good enough for me. I'm going to definitely say that. This didn't quite work. I tried to, but it just didn't seem to work very well, and you can't go this way with it. So, but anyhow, what I also did to make all this work These are just some of the things I found were easy. And I put it in one of these pastry bags. Yeah, I lost a lot in the bag. There's still a lot in there. But you just, nobody, I don't know. I've never thought of doing this with fairing. Usually use pastry bags to put the epoxy and cracks in places, but never fairing. But I put the fairing in there because it's nice to get the product in the corner, and then you come back with a spatula and profile it, I guess would be the word, maybe. I don't really know. But if you use like the normal applicator, that yellow plastic thing, I wish I had one in here, damn it. It leaves a lot of lines and it's difficult to put it on. So this is really nice, especially in here. It's nearly impossible to do beautifully. So that was a good thing, a good trick I learned. And it's been so helpful since. I first started off with your traditional this side, with your traditional white yellow spatula that you normally get to put the stuff on, and it was super duper hard. I'll see if I can't try to do some work so I can demonstrate it, but for now I just want to finally get out a video. I'm back to work now full time, and it makes it very difficult to find time or interest to do any of this type of work. You know, you work 50, 60 hours a week driving. Last thing you want to do is come home and do any sanding or any of this work. But I really need to get this done because I so want to live in here rather than the crappy camper I'm living in now. This is going to be so nice, built just the way I wanted it built. Anyhow, I guess I better get to work, get this wrapped up, but I'm going to make a quick video for you guys, let you know I'm still alive and still working, just nowhere near as much, not much progress at all. For about, I would say, another month or two maybe, and then it'll be down to 3 or 4 days a week work, which is so much better. Work is so overrated. Anyhow, thanks for watching this video. Quite boring. I swear I'll be getting to the cabinet soon. Hopefully it'll be interesting. Get the life support put in. I can't wait. Everything's here. Everything. I bought, oh by the way, I bought a new sink stove. Wait, you see that? That's pretty cool. Yeah. Everything should be here, ready to be installed. As soon as I can get this stupid sanding over with, get some paint on the walls, get rid of the dust. Catch you who knows when. Bye.